All right, what's going on YouTube? Seven Charbells Loft here again. I hope everybody had a great holiday. And you know, New Year's just right around the corner. So, got some great news that I want to share. Also, some just some update on some of the breeders and some birds I brought in. And yeah, as you can see, it's snow, snow, lots and lots of snow. But yeah, without further ado, gonna show you guys some birds, share you guys some great news, and yeah, let's go inside the pigeon loft. This is 85084. I think I'm gonna call her Miss Hebrick. This is a 100% Hebrick family bird. All original Hebrick. When I got out of the box with her, she was already fighting. She was struggling to get out. She don't want to be held, and I love this trait. See that? She just wants to get out. Oh man, I like that. Very strong little bird. Okay. She got a nice step. Nice big step. That's beautiful. Very beautiful, nice one pin. And what's cool is she has a little bronzing too on her little bars on the check. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but she has some bronzings. Oh, she got bronzings on her wings. Very beautiful hen. Yeah, it's I think this family might do well with my birds. Yeah, I like that. I like that trait. Trait don't want to fight, get out of your hands. Just like my Turcon family. Very beautiful hen. Yeah, I was gonna go ahead and get her quarantined, get her fed, get her watered. Yeah. Some nice vibration there. Very beautiful. Yeah, I think I will call her Miss Hebrick. Beautiful bird, beautiful bird. Very, very beautiful bird. Alright, Miss Hebrick, guys. This is Bulldozer's Beauty's full brother, the nestmate. Again, this is the nestmate brother. 411. Bulldozer's Beauty is 410. This guy's 411. Nice small bird. That's a nice step. That's a very nice bird. Tail does go up. Yeah, I think he's inbred, so this is sent from a father-daughter mating. Bulldozer's Beauty's tail goes up just a little bit too. Same with this guy here. I like that. The fight. The bird observing around the loft. Finally got him. I'm very happy to have him in the loft too. Very nice family birds. Been very proven for me. And decided to bring back. Decided to get my hands on the nest mate brother. So. Alright, this is the nest mate brother to Bulldozer's Beauty. I'll come up with a name for him later on. Here is the sire to my black gold race money winner. Remember this bad boy? Florian one. This is my first import bird in the loft, and I did a video on him back in the summer. That love that trait. Wants to get out, wants to fight. Here's another closer look. 11 flights, 11 flight feathers. Very, like I said, very beautiful bird. Very awesome bird. I think all year this bird, paired up to my Bulldozer's Beauty, the kids have been very consistent all over. Kid also scored equal first, 8th to trap on the 235-mile race at American Grand National this year. I had a consistent racer kid at Crooked River this year as well, and then the money race, the money winner down at Black Gold on the final 350-mile race too. So I am very blessed to have a great bird, first year breeding, and has some results already. Very awesome bird. Very beautiful in the hands. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He has a really nice short forearm too. So I like that. Yeah, very awesome bird. I really want to thank and shout out to my buddy Marvin down from Cali. Who I bought this bird from. Results right away, and I love it. I love it, I love it, love it. He will go back to Bulldozer's Beauty for this coming up year. And we'll see how the kids do for this new coming up year. Alright, Florian one. Here is Bulldozer's Beauty. She is 3 this year. She's a 2018 hen, and ever since I got her in her first year breeding, she has won money from her kids have won money from me every year. 3 for 3. She is a real beauty. Look at that. Even though this is her own loft, she's still very observant. She wants to fight. I just had to calm her down a little bit. This is one awesome hen. One very proven breeder. Down from a great friend of mine and some great family of birds. Look at this. She's an inbred. Her tail's not the nicest. But this has become a very phenomenal hen in the loft. First year breeding, bred my Bulldozer Princess. First place Crooked River winner and third place average speed. On the final, won me $12,820 total. Second year, put her back to Turcon again. Bred me in 9th place. Midwest Convention, 350-mile race in the 2020 year. Won me $1,500. That bird also finished 6th place. Ace Youngbird of all Wisconsin. Handled by my good friend Peter. And then bird was auctioned off for $2,100 to a buddy of mine. And then this year, bred me my black gold money winner, Eagle First. See, she doesn't like to be held. Eagle First, 18th to trap on a 350-mile race on a tough, fair headwind race, hosted by Yanni Cuba Loft down in Houston, Texas. And then that bird will be coming back. I think it's the sun down there, so that bird will be coming back. So far, this bird has bred me good money. The black gold winner won me $8,300. That bird finished 14th place average speed. She doesn't like to be held. But I am very blessed. It's been a great year. Ooh. And yeah. Very beautiful hen, awesome hen. I love her. And I cannot thank my good friend Peter enough for this beautiful hen. She is a real beauty, real Bulldozer inbred beauty. All right, Bulldozer's beauty. There you have it. It's been a fun year. I have 2 more races left. I got the optional 400 out in Cuevas, and I got the optional 400 back at a Black Gold. I heard Cuevas is racing that 400 on Monday, and I'm not too sure yet on the date for the Black Gold 400-mile race. I'm still thinking about it, about winning Eagle First at Black Gold and wanting a good chunk of money, and you know, I'm still thrilled. I'm still like, I still cannot believe it. And you know, I'm very blessed. Like I said, I'm very happy. It was a slow race year for me, and you know, Black Gold was my last race, and way to finish with the bang. So I'm very happy with that. And again, in the video, I was very fortunate and very blessed to also bring back Bulldozer's Beauty's nestmate for 11, and hopefully to see if he can, see if he can breed like the sister. So I have a really good lineup for next year. Also, another update: our United Club Racing Pigeon Auction will be up in the month of January. I will post the link in my description below, and all the auction, all the money will go to our pigeon club to help us pay for fees and dues, and to help us continue racing pigeons up here. I know the club racing side of the pigeon sport is dying. A lot of people is saying that, and you know, I'm myself and one of my club members were in charge of the club auction this year. So I'll post that in the description, and I'll let you guys know when we have birds posted. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope 2022 will be another great year. Also, I'll post my Instagram account in the description below as well. Please follow me as well. Thanks for watching, guys. 7 Child Brothers Loft.